Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 8.1 and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. Now to get started you will need to open up the Files app, which is right over here, and from the app scroll down. You will see the two storages, the internal and the SD card. Now this area is empty. All you need to do is just, actually no, here it shouldn't be empty. Sometimes there are three dots and you have option for show storage devices, but it doesn't look like this is the case here. So what you want to do is probably go to the internal storage. That's where usually phone saves everything by default. And just as a brief overview, DCIM folder will contain your pictures, videos that you have captured with the device. Downloads folder will have anything that you have downloaded, either through your web browser, emails, stuff like that. They will all be saved in here. Then music, movies, notifications, playlists, podcasts, all that stuff. We'll have stuff, if anything that you have put in there. Usually phone isn't saving anything in there, at least not that I have encountered. And the last thing is the pictures folder, which usually contains a screenshots. So there are screenshots, also Instagram. So let's find our photos. Now I have captured a couple as an example, which they are all right here, as you can see. And what you want to do once you find your files is either hold the first one and it becomes selected like so, and then you can tap on additional ones if you want to move multiple. If you want to move, for instance, every photo in a folder, you could tap on the three dots and go to select all. That is one way you can do it, or simply by going back and selecting the entire camera folder along with all of its content. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you. I would suggest whichever feels more comfortable to you. That's the method that is better. Now once you have either the files as in multiple selected, what you need to do is again tap on the three dots and you have the move or copy to. Now again, which one you choose is completely up to you. The move option will completely remove the files from where they are. So if for instance you move them to an SD card and later on remove that SD card, you will not have those pictures, for as an example, anymore on your phone. So you won't be able to view them. While if you choose copy, it will create duplicates, so the ones that we selected right now will stay where they are right now, and new ones, the same files will be created in a new location. So again, if you make that on an SD card, move or copy to SD card, and you remove that, then you will have still photos on your phone and also on your SD card. So I'm gonna go with the move option, and once you choose one, it pops out with the option to where you want to move it. So I'm gonna go to the SD card, and from here I can either drop it right on the SD card in the middle of it, or I can keep it organized and for instance go to the DCIM folder, which is empty as you can see, and move it over here. Let's tap on continue. Now when you're doing this for the first time, we need to allow access, so allow, there's the progress, and it's done. So you can see that we're now on the phone storage in the DCIM folder, and that's previously where the camera folder was in here, and now it's completely gone. That's because I chose to move it. And now that camera folder is located on the SD card under the DCIM along with all of its pictures inside. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.